An alternative method of uploading files via the web interface is the Watchfolder. This method is useful when you have a massive uploads or assets of different types. This is an FTP protocol file transfer, and therefore it will be necessary to use an external software. In this example, we will use FileZilla, but of course you can also use other software such as WinSCP, CyberDuck, Coffee Cup or others. Once opened, the software for file transfer protocol will connect to the Arkki site according to the settings verified together with the system administrators or the media power engineers. The interface will show you a watch folder with your name. Drag and drop to load even very extensive and heterogeneous files or even entire folders containing subfolders. When the upload via FTP is 100% complete, all the uploaded assets will be visible in your drafts. In the case of an uploaded list of files, they are shown as different individual assets, which can then be modified with the addition of metadata and eventually be published. In the case of a folder uploaded via Watchfolder, the folder is shown as a single object called archive. Clicking on the archive folder, on the left side of the screen, the original tree of the loaded folder is shown, and in every subfolder, all the files with their original names and extensions are shown. In this case, therefore, the metadata are added globally, working on the single archive folder. Once the fields have been filled in and the archive type asset has been published, it is available for searching. If you want to search by the name of the files contained in the archive folder, you must select Advanced Search. Clicking on Catalog and then General, you must type the name of the file in the field, type the file name to be searched into an archive. Type the name of the file or part of it and press Search. The archive type asset is then shown among the results. Browse on it until you find the desired file. As for the other assets, with the archive type object, you have many options like download for the download of all the files contained in the original tree, or share, edit and delete. It is also possible to download a single file. Put the mouse on the selected file, right-click and then click Download. In this case, only the selected file is downloaded.